back to my channel. Have you seen my last video about quitting ketone diet? Does ketone diet have a yo-yo effect? If you haven't watched that video, please check the description box below. 4 days for the cheat day. I already left ketone. Nothing changed. I just eat like a man. You don't believe me? Let's find out. And on this video, I will also tell you about how to recover from cheat day. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's begin. To be honest with you, in the beginning, I stopped keto diet. I crave for so many things that I'm not allowed to eat when I'm on keto. Some people say you don't need a cheat day. Honestly, I don't have result without restrictions. I only have result when I set a cheat day for myself and behave during the week. But the best result is without a cheat day and crap food at all.
I want to try. Let's try this.
이거 와.
I want to try.
So spicy. You think I'm done? Nah.
Are you listening? Damn.
I don't eat crap during the week, especially the day I work out. Also, I have my way to recover my cheat day. If you wanna know, just keep watching and subscribe to my channel for support. I would very much appreciate it. It's amazing. So, what I do to recover my cheat day, I work out with an empty stomach the next day. I suggest you to do HIIT or some cardio. Do intermittent fasting and try to delay the time that you eat. I eat around 2 to 4 in the afternoon, but depends on your schedule. And drink apple cider vinegar with a little bit of lemon juice. One thing is very important. Do not eat sugary things when you break your fast. So I hope this video helps you. If you like my video, remember like and subscribe and comment down below for any questions. I will see you next time. Bye bye. And I'm gonna go to eat now.